Alright, I'm back with sub duels. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to join the edopro tournament, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Alright. And dude, I'm testing out the salad deck. Oh. No.
Yeah, I was thinking of going to, but I changed my mind on it. Well, you're going first, anyway.
Yep.
Let's see what you
Hold
got.
on here. Let's see if I could do this. No, I can't do that. No, I can't do that. Set. Dang it.
Ooh. Tricky.
Fernando.
Okay. Okay. Actually, what is instinct?
Not Dragoon.
It says I'm going into Dragoon, though. I'm gonna add Red Eyes Burn.
Red Eyes Burn.
Yep. Set. Set. Record. Activate Red Eyes Fusion.
There it is. That's Dragoon right there. Come on,
Maybe.
man.
Maybe. It's not. I don't really go to Dragoon first anyway. I always go into this one to do a little bit of damage. Because this is mostly Red Eyes deck of burning.
Black Comet Dragon. If it's got a special summon, you can send one Red Eyes monster from your hand or deck to the graveyard if you need, and inflict damage equal to half the original attack. This card. Monster zone to the graveyard. You can take a. Well, you're gonna burn me for half the original attack.
Yep.
Infinite influence.
Ooh, well played. Okay. No,
You should have just went Dragoon.
I know, but that's ruins the fun out of it. Of burning you.
Alright.
Because this is what Red Eyes is pretty much a burn deck. Of torture, pretty much.
Kinda, yeah, I guess so. Wind Twister.
Ooh.
Discard, and I'll do 1, 2.
Okay. I'll activate this first. Then I'll activate this card's effect. Bring back a Red Eyes.
Which one was that?
It was Red Eyes. Return to Red Eyes.
Which one did you try to get?
Oh. You'll see.
Target chain of Red Eyes. Okay. Yeah, I see. Call by the grave.
Another thing.
Target 1 Red Eyes. Oh, you're just gonna get him again.
Yeah, I'm not letting you do that same effect. Activate this card effect. Bring out another Red Eyes.
What?
Yep, when that card's destroyed, I can bring back Red Eyes card from the graveyard.
Normal summon. Jack, Link, Phalanx, Effect, Activate, Jack Jaguar, Falco, back to the deck Falco. Man, my FPS is super slow right now. We've got the Salaman Great card.
Mine's at 60.
Special Summon Spinny. In defense, then we're gonna go to Update, Jammer.
What is your FPS
I
at?
got 35 FPS right now.
Oh, dang.
2+ effect monsters. Transcode Talker. Activate Update Jammer. Transcode Talker can now attack twice. I'll activate Update Jammer. Target one Link 3 or lower Cyber's monster in the graveyard except Cyber's Talker. Special summon to discard to the zone. You cannot special summon monsters except Cyber's monsters. So if I do that, if I special summon them back, I can only do Cyber's monsters. Then I will
Yeah, that's what's on
access code Docker. Trigger effect of access code. I'll pick the Link 3.
Okay.
It's gonna gain 3000. And then Update Jammer, since I used it to link. That Link monster can attack twice. I'll activate access code Talker. I'll banish a Fire Link monster to pop.
Okay.
I'll do it again. Oops,
Activate.
Oh.
Red Eyes Burn.
What is this?
Burns as both for damage.
Oh crap.
When you destroy monster by battle or by card effect.
Oh, okay. Alright, I'll do a
Or Red Eye.
your
Activate this card's effect. Bring back Red Eyes.
Oh no.
Yep. Have to work harder than that. There's only one Red Eyes left. After that.
Pop. Battle. Transcode or access code Talker. Attack Red Eyes B Dragon. And then I get to attack again because of Update Jammer.
Ooh.
Boom.
Okay, well, that's the OTK. Wow.
Yep. On to the next one.
Okay.
See, like I was gonna put like I'm missing Flame Buffalo. What else? I gotta try to make this more consistent. I'm good. Side deck completed.
Let's just try to think what I want to do.
So many 1-card combos. 1 or 2 cards.
I'm gonna go in this time.
No red eyes, no Dragoon of red eyes for you. Combo breaker. Killer Instinct.
But who said who's gonna go into Dragoon again? At all.
Ash Blossom. You gotta play for you.
here besides Dragoon?
See, look at this. This is, I could do a,
Besides Comet and Dragoon.
but I'll just do the one card combo with Lady Debug.
Good.
Effect. Add one level 3 or lower. Where are you? Gazelle.
Mm-hmm.
Phalanx. Effect. No. No. Probably could have did that, but it's okay. I'm just showcasing the one card combo. I could have did Parallel Exceed there, but as a salad was tossed to the grave, I get to toss a salad, toss a salad to the grave. Since I have a salad, I get the special summon Spinny.
You're really talking about food. You're trying to make a food joke out of this.
What do I do here now? Okay, did I?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna toss these two salads to something. Okay.
Hey, we're over here all
Look at
week with the
this.
salad jokes.
I can do Parallel Exceed.
Can't stop to tell the salad jokes.
And then Parallel Exceed.
Yeah. Oh. Heard that was a good card in salad.
Oh, this Abyss Dweller. Good attach
Ooh.
one. Opponent can't activate cards in the graveyard. Okay, so like I tried doing this before, and I'm like, why can't? Because if I do the transcode talker, I cannot. I could only do cybers.
Maybe
Like I'll
try
do
putting
Abyss
some
Dweller.
cyber Xyz in there. See what happens.
Then I will do transcode with Balinks and update jammer. Update jammer. Transcode talker can now attack twice. Why can't I fucking... Oh wow, it's because I did Abyss Dweller. That's some bullshit. So if you do Abyss Dweller, you can't go into, you can't use up, you can't revive back. That's interesting. Whatever, I'll just do. Fuck. Okay.
If you want, after this video, we can do some like testing if you want. Like
this is the test. I could only do one video today.
why? I mean, like do some testing, like off of video.
See, if I didn't do the
Not on
XZ summon,
video.
I could have attacked twice. And then I'm just gonna main phase
That
2.
may have saved me.
Yeah, I think that did. I'll banish the Balinks.
But they need to make some level
Pop.
7 trading cards so you can be able to like
The wind.
So you can be able to like
Pop.
get rid of like cards and then be able to draw too.
Pop. Huh.
Super probably wouldn't help me anyway. Are you kidding me? Set
Except
enter.
Cyberse monsters. See, look, it says right here. Transcode talk. I already read this, but you cannot special summon monsters that turn you activate this effect except Cyberse monsters. And Abyss Dweller is not a Cyberse. So that really. Access code,
Yeah,
banish, fire.
okay, activate this card's effect.
You're gonna add.
I'm gonna end this.
Yep. Battle. Access code talker. Finish him. Alright. Thank you, Warrior, for the duel.
Yep.
And sub if you liked it, like if you subbed it. See you guys.